Welcome to Florence, welcome to the Piazza della Signoria, the square where you find the Fountain of Neptune. Grand Duke Cosimo I de' Medici decided in 1559 to have it built, partly because it would bring fresh water into the city, but also to celebrate the marriage of his son Francesco I to Grand Duchess Joanna of Austria. The fountain was designed by Baccio Bandinelli, but he died before building began. So his former assistant, Bartolomeo Amanati, was made responsible, and with the assistance of several other artists, the fountain was made between 1560 and 1574. The centerpiece of the fountain is Neptune, but instead of the usual trident, this one has a baton and a lash in his hand, and that is not a coincidence. Look at the face of Neptune and discover you are actually looking to the man who commissioned the fountain, Cosimo I. When his son Francesco married in 1565, the fountain was far from ready. The builders encountered lots of setbacks. The marble for Neptune was pure white Carrara marble, but as you can see, other elements of the fountain are from a different type of marble. That came from a quarry owned by the Medici. So Cosimo insisted this marble was used for the seahorses that carry the enormous carriage Neptune is using. Amanati and his assistants had lots of trouble shaping this type of marble. It chips very easily and is much more brittle than white Carrara marble. Here's a nice detail. The wheels of Neptune's carriage are embellished with signs of the zodiac. When the fountain was ready in 1574, it was openly misused. Horses drank from the fountain, and Florentines used it to wash clothes and dye fabrics. In short, they were not impressed by the fountain at all. When the famous Michelangelo saw the final result, he cried out, "Amanati, Amanato, che bel marmo hai rovinato!" And that actually means, Amanati, what a beautiful piece of marble have you ruined. It has sustained a great deal of damage over the years due to vandalism and general mistreatment. A plaque on the wall of Palazzo Vecchio from the 1700s warns the public of large fines for misuse of the fountain. But that didn't help much. For instance, in recent history, Neptune's hand was broken off in 2005. And when Italy won the World Cup, the shoulders of Neptune were painted blue. The fountain underwent a major restoration to restore it to its original glory. In 2017, the bronze figures, most of whom were made by Gian Bologna, were removed and repaired. And the damages done to the marble components were fixed in about 2 years. Thanks to the donation of €1.5 million by Salvatore Ferragamo, also a new stainless steel water pump is installed. In 2019, the restoration was finished.